Hi friends, let's dive into the art of sharpening a pencil with a cutter and sandpaper. So you have got your pencil, right? Now grab a cutter. The key here is precision. Hold your pencil steady and with a controlled hand, start shaving off the wood in small, deliberate strokes. This isn't a race, it's a slow dance between you and that pencil. Keep those fingers clear of the cutter's path. No one wants a DIY bandit job. Take your time and enjoy the process. Feel the transformation as your pencil gets a slick new shape. Now sandpaper. Think of it as the finishing touch, the spot treatment for your pencil. Now rotate the pencil's tip smoothly on the sandpaper. This smoothens out any rough edges, giving your pencil a polished finish. Why bother? Well, my friend, you are not just sharpening a pencil. You are creating a tool that's uniquely yours. It's about control and customization. You are not settling for a factory-sharpened standard. You are elevating your drawing experience. Enjoy the process and happy sharpening.